that's really good.
And we'll take it home. We'll leave it in the car. And that's what it is. Mez. Rating. A restaurant. Hey, we're here now, Vigan, but also to visit the RG jar factory. So hopefully, whoa, we'll be able to make our own clay pots. I'm hoping. We can only see and hope. Cool. Look at that. Cool. He kicked it. Wow, that's Bantay Bell. Remember my clay pot that I made? You had seen. He's going to demonstrate. Musta po. Oh, only English. So you can understand. But look, check this out. I'm kidding. He's gonna use his feetie. He's gonna use his feet. Oh, later on. He's made a spin. Whoa, skidding with his foot. Look at that. Speed. You wanna get your bag? No idea. He's raising it up. Lubricates again. Just water. There's the designing. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. It's sexy, very nice. That's a nice, cute one. Further design. Cool. This is good. Nice. Yeah. Here, first time ever doing this one. Just a bummer we won't be able to. Well, we probably can. We're still here until March 4. Mango. Oh, mango is up the roof. Tug. Your turn. Whoa, let's check this one out. Let's see how she goes. She's never done it before.
What am I supposed to do? No.
Softly. I'm not sure. Finger. There's more fluids for you. Nice. That's a good one, Hansini.
I'm trying to make a bowl.
You're trying to make a bowl?
You've been here for 7 days?
Yeah, we're leaving tomorrow, but we are still here in the Philippines until March 4. Yes. 7. Oh, we come from Australia.
Oh.
Yeah. No, not that far.
Australia.
In Sydney.
I went to Sydney and then from there and then
Oh, nice. It's very hot there at the moment.
Oh, for the summertime.
Hmm.
Like, how do I stop it?
Yes. No, you can't stop it. No.
They drive on the wrong side of the road.
Yes, that's great. On the wrong side of the road. What's that?
So you have to give it a go.
You're done. Wow. Think about it, we could probably come back. That's yours.
There he is preparing the clay for Hansky.
Right. First time doing this. It's something we're really new to.
Brand new.
Brand new. So he's got the clay and he's compacting it with water.
Can you try to make it like that, the vase?
I'll try. So this is what I'm going to try and do. He's just setting it up for me. Here we go. We're going to accelerate. Accelerate. Wow. Almost 60 kilometers an hour.
We'll give it a base. Make it smooth.
This is sand. Oh, this is sand. Sand.
There.
Watch out for my leg. Okay. I have to wet my hand. Here we go. Oh, sad.
There, nice. That's really good.
Nice. All right. This is Hanskini's second turn. Let's see if we'll be able to, if she can make something good. Check. So if one breaks it, and we'll take it home. We'll leave it in the car. Now, this one is made all of stone. Look. It's heavy, strong, and it's got cool ball bearings that keep spinning and spinning. Man, that one just smoked, so it keeps out the mosquitoes. Cool. Oh yeah? All right, let's go check it out. Whoa, to 1 month. Whoa. 50 meters. Wow. Made out of bricks. It's like, this is the olden day technique.
Yes.
I remember in school we just like put it in a big oven. All right. Smile. Yep, I can see you. You go inside there. Whoa. I didn't expect that. So this is hard labor. It is. Wow, and you can see all the wood there. So this place gets really hot. Another door. Oh, hotter than the sauna. Oh, geez, you can actually go in. But, oh, this one gets small. Oh, at the bottom? All right. This is so cool. What an experience here in Vigan. We're absolutely loving it. Family have to come here and visit. This place is so cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna check it out. All right. Be careful. Whoa. Oh, lucky, look at the camera. The camera was able to pick up all the darkness there. Jeez, that's 50 meters. I won't go too far.
Okay.
Okay, have a look at me. Can you see me?
Yep, keep going. But just be careful, don't.
I do now. I don't think I'll go too far. Jeez. I'm not gonna be barbecued.
Hold on.
Where are we now?
In the tunnel.
Tunnel? No. We're in a large barbecue pit.
Oven.
Large oven. Goes all the way back there. And this is the exit right there. Wow, this is such a cool place. Oh, yeah. So yeah. Look at it, it was so cool. Alright, and then, you know, you see, this is all still clay. Bricks and clay.
Clay on top.
Come on, freakies. Hi, Skinny. Oh, we had a wonderful time here. Look. You know what, Hanskinny, with this one, you can drink out of it like that. Yeah. Soup. Tomato soup.
See, and then like I believe it like you can smell. You can smell. Okay, careful, let's go.
What I noticed when parking the car, all this made in-house. Everything. All of that made in-house. Cool. Right, so we've just arrived here at the Bantay Bell Tower. It just says students are allowed. Let's have a look. Check it out, guys. We've had an adventure coming here. But what happened was, during the earthquake, they had to close everything because it's being too dangerous. It's being too dangerous because something is breaking. Wow. Even the church is all damaged. Check that out. Due to the earthquake in, when was that, Kuya? In 2022.
Yes, from July 27, 8:47 in the morning, Tuesday.
Man, this is bad. That's where it is. Wow. Yeah, same here. It's a little bit taller, but I just can't believe it's pretty much damaged right here. It's sad, but what we will do, we'll just use a tripod to take a photo, and that's pretty much it. We can't do much. It's out of our control. We can't even go. Yeah, we couldn't go here because this one was built in the 1570 or something like that. I can't remember, but it's really old. Even this church is all damaged inside. That's the reason why they all block this area. We can't go in just in case it starts to crumble. So we're just going to take a few photos, and pretty much we're done for the day. So we had just taken the photos, a few photos just there, and that's where it is. Now we're in the church. But they fixed everything because there you can see apparently there are cracks. Oh my gosh, look at this. See that? Since earthquake. The room. Sad. The guide hasn't been doing well, so we're going to have the ginigdig, kinubog, bibingka. Yeah, bibingka. So with the bibingka, we can actually take it home for our dessert and, taking it out. And yeah, today is our last day at Lasa in Vigan, and we're actually enjoying. I'm not sure. Yeah, yeah, that's where we're going. All right, here we are at this Tongson's. Oh, bike's in the way. Bit of a zigzag. Is this a shop? We were here to get the bibingka tinubog. Yeah. That's what we're here to get. Spiced garlic. Ooh. Pudding.
16 piece, 8 piece,
Fine. No.
like smaller than that.
No, that's bread.
No, we have that too. Let's see.
That says bibingka. Yeah. Okay.
Also,
Ooh,
there
yes,
is
that's the one.
bibingka.
Wait, that's Hermes. Okay,
That's bibingka.
that's bibingka, and it's the royal. We will get. That's bibingka. Okay, we're gonna get 8 pieces, pa. 8 pieces of bibingka, and then can we also please have 8 pieces of pudding?
No, here, assorted tarts. Nice, cool.
Okay.
No,
No. Ooh.
same though.
No, it's different. So this is pudding, glutinous bread, and that's a rice cake. They're both different. Yeah? At least we check it. Yeah. So we'll get that one around to use. Yes, absolutely. We just finished that one, and now we're going to continue. Woohoo! We'll get the, what was that called? Oh, here. Oh yeah, this one. What's calamai? Made of sticky rice and coconut. Oh, this one. We'll get this. How do you eat it? Okay, I'll ask. Hello. Whoa, we have to hit each other with it. How? Okay. How do you crack this one? What from here? Rating. She really hit it. She actually did. Whoa! I didn't expect that. What's that?
Sticky rice inside.
Sticky rice inside the tinubong.
Scoop it and eat it. That's a spoon.
Whoa! Lucky I've got on record, so now I know how to do it. What's inside? Coconut.
Yes, sir. Sticky rice
Ooh! Wow! This is called pasulubong as a gift. Yes. Here we're at Café Uno. We're going to mark on our checklist. Ding ding. Cool. Ooh, nice and cool. Alright. Cool. This place is only small. It's a small one, but goodie. You know, it has a lot of 3D artwork and stuff here. Look at that. So we're not getting that one because it's beef with all the insides.
You
Did you want to try it? I don't want to try it, to tell you the truth. Pass. So we pretty much had everything except for that. Okay, sweet. And the ding ding. That's what we need. This is our dinner. And we have a nice long drive tomorrow. Right? This one lemon and lime iced tea. That's like first buko milkshake here in the Phils. We've been waiting for this for ages, but we still want the buko juice. But at least this is buko shake. Let's see how she'll like it. Tastes good? Are you sure? Oh yeah. Our food just arrived. Look at that dynamite. It's gonna explode in our mouths. And our first time having this street food, but in a restaurant. Tastes good? For this one. Bit of sweet sauce too. Yeah. Street food, but in a restaurant, just to be on the safe side. You like it? Thumbs up. I'm not that type of a bitter melon guy. Wow, the bitter melon on the pinakbet. Oh man, pookie, that's great. I'm gonna get that chili oil when we go back to the shop. Let's go back. I'm gonna get that chili oil. I'm missing it. I got this chili oil this morning for lunch at Hidden Garden. Oh, it's good. Hidden Garden. So good. I love it. Good. Oh, this is vegan by night again. Yeah, it was really nice yesterday because we had the Zumba, we had a lot of people in the plaza. The water fountain's amazing here. It was really good. It was such very lively. We've had so much fun here in Vigan. It's a great place to visit. Oh, check it out. They had the ice cream. But the horses, look, it's alive again. So lively. This street. Lucky, the good thing. Oh, that's what I was saying. There's a shopping center in there. Yeah. There. See? We're so close. So if you guys are going to stay here in Vigan, man, we stayed in the heart of Vigan, in the hotel. What's that place? Oh, guess what?
We're going to eat.
You're going to eat? We just had. We just Uno, but then no, Café Uno, but they told us to go to Café Luna. Which is Café Uno on the left side. Yeah.
It's on the right.
Yes,
We're
Café.
looking for the empanadas.
Oh, the empanadas.
I will not.
Yeah, it's a different one. The empanadas were great. We enjoyed it today. Yes, we had it today. No, we're working now. Yeah, we're back to work. Bye. All right. So that's the middle.
It's really nice.
Yeah. It's really nice here. We're actually enjoying this place a lot. Oh, look at this. It's huge. Oh, thanks. Okay. Vigan Hotel. But we're at the next one over there. So this is so cool at nighttime. Our hotel. That's on record. Oh, there's our car. We're going to be checking out tomorrow.